Today I'm going to talk to you about two courses that we offer here in SETU, the Southeast Technological University, and that is Product Design Innovation and Design, the Honours degree and the Ordinary degree. So, first of all, what is product design? Well, if you can imagine a line going between engineering and art, design lies somewhere in the middle of that. Design is where creativity is let loose in order to explore ideas and come up with new innovations. More importantly, what we do is we try to understand people. So if you look at that whole realm of art, engineering and people, that is what design is. So, where can I find good design? Well, that's easy. Look around you. Think humans. Think yourself. Think of all these things that relate to you, like your health, your hobbies, your environment, your home, your work. Design is all around you. Let's take a quick look. Think electronics. You use these things on a day-to-day basis. Who do you think designs them? Think of sports and outdoor equipment. Once people use these products, designers have to be involved. Think of your home. All these products that you interact with on a daily basis. Think health and well-being. So this gives you an idea that design is all around us all the time. And as designers, we're engaged in trying to come up with new ways and better ways of improving people's lives to make these products easier to use and more enjoyable. So, is design for you? You need to ask yourself, do you enjoy the things like how things work, questioning why things they are the way they are, solving problems, making and doing, thinking visually, or being creative? Do you like the subjects in secondary school, art, DCG, technology, engineering, construction? If you're answering yes to any of these, design is probably for you. So give you an idea, you sign up to do design here in SETU in Carlow. What's in store for you? Well, the program here is based around studio-based learning. That is, learning through doing as part of a group in a safe and structured environment. It's project focused all the time. So when you come in on day one, you will get a project and all your modules tie into that project. It's 100% continuous assessment. There are no formal written exams on this program because it is about making and doing. So, what are the kind of things you're going to learn? Well, we teach you to sketch as a designer, how to communicate, how to get ideas across, how to communicate with other people. We do model making, so imagining our products in 3 dimensions. We engage in problem solving, both as individuals and as teams, to try and discover where problems may lie. Digital modeling. We use SolidWorks to produce digital images of our products. These help us understand what's going on the inside of the project as well as on the outside. Research and discovery. So we can't just design in isolation. We need to find the ideas. We need to talk to users and find out where the real problems lie in order to design real solutions. And it's all done in the environment of staff support within that studio. So the contact ratio is very high at the moment. That means that you get a lot of contact time. But what's really, really important is that it's all focused around project work. None of these are isolated modules. So what do we offer? As I said at the beginning, we have an ordinary degree in design. That's SE 209. And your points range for that program is somewhere between 240 and 280. What do we do in those 3 years? Well, it's a broad focus of a number of design areas. We're trying to give you a flavour of what design is all about. They can be the skills and the processes. We also have product design innovation, which is the honours degree, 4 years. Points range between 250 and 320 points. Now, it is a 2+2 system, so what does that mean? Okay, so regardless of which program you sign up for, the years 1 and 2 are common. We focus on developing general skills and design process, and it's all about letting you discover the area of design that you enjoy. You then move on to the final years of the program, and in the third year we have a work placement over semester 1, or you can go on Erasmus and study abroad, or stay on campus and work through live projects within the studio environment. As you go through the years, you will discover areas in modules that you will prefer more than others. This allows you to really tailor your program and your expertise to suit your skill set. So you might graduate as a product design innovation student, but your expertise may be in UX. So why should I choose design? And where will I end up working? Well, the first thing I will always say about design, you end up being highly employable. The reason behind this is because you're learning the skills of the future. In design, we teach critical thinking, working in teams, being creative, complex decision making, and problem solving. These are all now the skills that makes you extremely flexible within your career. You have multiple career options and your skill set is highly transferable. Traditionally, we'll end up working as in-house designers, that's working for a particular company on their products, working as part of a consultancy, which is a team of designers working on lots of different projects for different companies, or as a freelance designer where you're going out on your own, working in the area of design that you like for clients that you find. So, why should I choose design at SETU? Well, that's simple. This program is the best design program of its kind nationally. The qualification you get from SETU Carlow is a recognised and respected qualification. They know the program that you're on, they respect what you do, and they know you're the kind of designer they can trust. We have 50 years plus experience as design educators. We're the first program of its kind nationally. We have expert staff working in the areas of design education, research, and within the field of design practice. We have excellent facilities, studios, workshops, 3D printers, and lots more. We have very strong industry links and will always work on live projects with industry. As we said earlier, you are highly employable if you join this program. So, in the words of our own students, some students come at this with a love for the art and creative areas, but when they're on the program, they find that the skill set that they want to develop is enhanced and developed and becomes a lot more focused. Other students come along and they might be a little bit more technically minded, but again, the program is set up to be flexible around the needs and requirements of each student. You will be allowed to flourish with your own skills on the program. So, these are examples of some design students' work that has been done here in Carlow. What's important today is to realize that if design is something that you're interested in, well, get in touch with us. Get in contact with us on the webpage. You will find the program Product Design Innovation, and we will be quite happy to give you a tour of the facilities, let you meet our students, talk to them, or even come out to your school and do a talk. We look forward to seeing you on the design program here in SETU Carlow.